Hi blessed team, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time to this channel, I'm Blessed Hirat. Are you tired of using acne creams and ointments? Then this is the right home remedy you must try. This remedy is for those with stubborn pimples on their face, and I bet this remedy will help eradicate the pimples on your face completely. So watch this video to the end, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share this video as well. So let's continue. So this is my black soap, and if you are wondering how I melted this soap without pounding or without putting it on fire, check this link above and you'll see it. And for those of you inboxing me asking if Ghana black soap is same as Dudu Osun, please, it's all the same. Black soap is black soap, no matter the origin. So let me quickly add my other ingredients so this video won't be too long. And my first ingredient will be the turmeric. And this is my turmeric. As we all know, turmeric has many benefits to the skin, and I'll just mention a few. Turmeric reduces acne, it moisturizes dry skin, reduce the appearance of stretch marks, help your face clear up from acne breakouts, clears dark circles, and many more. So I'll add 1 tablespoon of the turmeric to my black soap. And next, I'll add my neem powder. Neem powder also reduces dark spots, blemishes, and any kind of redness on the skin. Helps even out skin tone, relieves skin dryness and itchiness, treats hyperpigmentation. It also fights acne. So I'll add 1 tablespoon of my neem powder to 1 teaspoon of arrowroot powder, and this powder serves as a natural moisturizer for the skin. It enables active ingredients to penetrate the skin surface easily too. So I'll add 1 teaspoon of the arrowroot. Next, I'll add my activated charcoal. 1 teaspoon of the activated charcoal. Activated charcoal helps remove bacteria and other impurities from your pores, and also control the oiliness in your skin too. So next, I will add my cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder helps improve complexion, helps treat eczema, help treat acne. It also removes dead skin cells and restore the shine and softness of the skin. So I'll add 1 tablespoon of my cinnamon powder. One tablespoon of sulfur powder, which has exfoliating benefits on the skin, detoxify and reduce breakouts. So I'll add 1 tablespoon to the soap. And this is my peppermint oil. Peppermint oil naturally cleans the skin and has antiseptic and antibacterial properties. It has a cooling effect which soothes irritation and inflammation due to acne. So I added 1 teaspoon of the peppermint oil. And this is my almighty coconut oil. You all know we can't do a remedy without coconut oil. Coconut oil has lots of benefits for the skin, including reducing inflammation, keeping the skin moisturized, help hydrate and protect the skin. It also improves skin elasticity and collagen production. So I'll add 1 tablespoon of the coconut oil. Just 1 tablespoon. This is my clove oil. Clove oil removes dead skin cells and help in blood circulation too. It also reduces blemishes and redness. And I'll add 1 teaspoon of the clove oil. And this is my lemon, and I'm going to extract the juice. Due to high pH levels, lemon can decrease oil on the skin and reduce inflammation. So let me just say this is 1 tablespoon of my lemon juice. Okay, 1 tablespoon. And this is my original honey. Make sure the honey you are going to use is original. Honey helps balance the bacteria on your skin, which makes it a great product to use for your acne. It also acts as a pore cleanser, moisturizes the skin. And please, if you are allergic to honey, please don't add it. And I will use 1 tablespoon. Okay, so it's now time for me to mix. Oh, I didn't see this here. Sorry for the mess. So it's now time for me to mix everything. Okay, so I'm going to do this off camera and get back to you. And in case you don't have black soap around you, you can use any base soap, which is very good for the skin. Apply this on your face for 5 minutes before you shower. And after showering, make sure you moisturize your face and use a sunscreen after. So this is the end of my recipe. Kindly let me know when you use this. Kindly let me know if this works for you in the comment section. Please don't hesitate to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Share this video to your friends who are in need too, for them to benefit from it. and check on my channel for other videos, and I'm sure you're gonna love them too. See you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Bye.